Hey guys, welcome back to Genie video number 3, where we are going to try and understand what is the role of your data and its information for a Genie to work properly. So sometimes there are some things which are very small but very important and we miss them in the chatbot. That one thing is uh, related to data sources. Okay. So whenever you are trying to build out a Genie, the Genie always try and answer within your context, and the context is provided by the sources of data that you are using. I'm using the same example that I used in Genie code video 2, where we use the Superstore CSV and we created a Genie out of it. Now we are trying to understand what is the importance of data. So let's say I ask the question like, give me the distribution of orders by date of shipping. Okay, by date of shipping. So ideally, I'm expecting that the data set already has the data for orders, and that data set is already having the information on date of shipping. So let us check whether that information is present or not. So let me just type the word ship. Okay, and yes, date of shipping is present, and Genie has pulled that information out, and it also displayed a nice graph for it. How did the Genie was able to understand that to check the ship date column? Because when you check on the ship date column, you can see there is certain description which is given. This description doesn't come by default. So if this description is not present, then it may create a problem for it. So Genie is always, or chatbot is always contextualized on your data. So it will always try and check something with relation to that. So let's simply ask the similar question. Give me the distribution of orders by shipping mode. Give me distribution of orders by shipping mode. Okay. Let's see what the answer is coming back. Let's expand the thinking. So it is trying to understand the data. It is trying to get the shipping mode. It has got 4 more: standard class, second class, first class, same day, and based on that it shipped the order. If you check the code, the kind of code it has generated is order count based on the order IDs, and at the same time it is checking something called shipping mode as a column. Okay, so you didn't have to go and tell that, okay, check this particular column for shipping mode, or check this particular column for the shipping date. It was able to understand. Now the most important thing is how it was able to understand. Correct. So if you click on configure, you simply click on configure. So how did I came to this screen? I am on a Genie screen. Click on configure, and in configure there is a second tab called sources. Within that, just click on it and you will be able to see the table description and column related information is present. If you want to see this in detail, just click on it. It will redirect you to catalog, and within that catalog you will be able to see demo catalog, demo schema that we created in the last video. And within that there is a table called AI demo superstore, and within that you will be able to see that table has been given a proper description. What table contains? So table contains transactional data of a superstore, including detail about orders, customer, product, and shipping. Similarly, each and every column is having column called comment. Sometimes we feel that, okay, why should we give this? Correct. But this is where the Genie chatbot plays very important role. Uh, Genie reads table metadata from table description and comments. So comments play a very important role. So giving comments gives a better context to the Genie. So sometimes let's say there is a shipping date 1 and shipping date 2, correct? And if the description is not given, then uh, the LLM or chatbot may hallucinate and sometimes may pick the one date over the other, correct? So instead of doing that, making sure that a right comment is present ensures that Genie picks up a right kind of column. At the same time, if Genie already has all these columns present and column names are there, it will help them to quickly formulate the right set of a query. So, and these descriptions can be generated with AI, so you can simply click on it and you will be able to see, you can edit this description basically. And let me just showcase how AI can help you generate the description. So Genie Code, which is a coding assistant provided by Databricks, helps you to generate this description. If this description is empty, it will have a field to generate the comment as well. So it can generate a comment for you. It can generate the comment for the entire table, and if they are not present, and then you can simply maybe shorten the text. It will shorten it for you. Okay, let me accept it and let me save it. So even comment generation and description generation is also done with the help of AI, and it will facilitate unit. It will go within Unity catalog metadata, and it will be available to Genie workspace or Genie agent directly from there. So everything is present. So when you ask the question, Genie agent will use this metadata completely to try and give you generate a contextualized SQL query, and therefore giving you a right sort of a answer. Okay, so this is how the importance of Genie data sources metadata is. Generally, we can add around 30 plus table in one Genie. That's a fair amount of limit for a chatbot. So ensure that you don't add much to it so that it doesn't get confused a lot. But yes, 30 tables, we can add it as a source. And within table, the most important part which everyone forgets is try and give the right set of description and right set of comments on the columns that will help you to generate um, or contextualize the answers from the chatbot. Thank you guys for listening to this. In the next video, we will try and understand what is the importance of Genie configuration is, the Genie description, and even the instructions is, how the instruction play pivotal role in shaping your conversation to the chatbot. Thank you guys. Thanks.